एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। एक अच्छा स्किन केयर बिफोर मेकअप इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपका मेकअप फ्लॉलेस रहे, स्मूथ रहे, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहे। एंड अगर आपने अपनी स्किन को प्रिपेयर नहीं किया है बिफोर मेकअप, मे बी इट मे गेट केकी एंड फ्लेकी, स्पेशली दीज डेज विंटर्स में स्किन गेट वेरी ड्राई। और उसकी वजह से अगर आप अपनी स्किन को प्रिपेयर नहीं करेंगे सो मे बी इन फ्यूचर आपका जो मेकअप है वो केकी या फ्लेकी हो सकता है, स्पेशली इफ यू हैव अ ड्राई स्किन like me. So these days I'm following a simple skincare routine before makeup so that कि जो मेरा मेकअप रहे वो स्मूथ रहे, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहे एंड फ्लॉलेस दिखे। सो आज के वीडियो में मैं वही शेयर करने वाली हूँ एंड साथ में ही मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी 2 प्रोडक्ट्स से सिंपल नेचुरल लुक मेकअप जो आप भी घर पे ट्राई कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो स्किन को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए these days I'm using L'Oréal Paris Hyaluronic Acid range and this range consists of 3 products. Now why hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid, the key ingredient in the skincare and one must add to the routine to get hydrated, plump and glowing skin. That is a natural molecule जो हमारी स्किन में present होता है and it has the capacity to hold 1000 times its own weight in water. So that is why it is essential in maintaining the moisture in our skin. So ये जो HA molecules होते हैं यही होते हैं responsible for making your skin plump, glowing and radiant whole day. And one must add HA molecule in their skincare when they turn around 20. And they are also Dermat's favorite ingredient. Hyaluronic acid is great for dry skin. और अगर आपकी skin oily भी है then also you can include it in your skincare with right products. So now these days moisture sandwich technique बहुत ज़्यादा popular हो रहा है and people are using it to keep their skin hydrated and plump and soft for long period. तो जानते हैं कि moisture sandwich technique होता क्या है? So इसमें क्या होता है कि लेयर के ऊपर एक लेयर्स लगाते जाते हैं प्रोडक्ट्स के ऑन अ डैम्प स्किन को थोड़ा सा गीला रखना है एंड देन इसको अप्लाई करना है सो दैट जो प्रोडक्ट होता है वो डीपली पेनिट्रेट्स इनटू योर स्किन एंड वो स्टेज देयर फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। दैट क्रिएट्स अ सैंडविच बाय ट्रैपिंग द वाटर इनटू द स्किन। सो इस मॉइस्चर सैंडविच टेक्निक में ये होता है कि वी फर्स्ट पुट मोर लाइटर वाटरी प्रोडक्ट on a damp skin and then we layer something thicker so that it gets trapped into the skin for longer period of time so that हमारी skin ज़्यादा देर तक hydrated रहे, soft रहे, supple रहे। And इसमें जो most important thing ये है कि you have to keep your skin damp and then you have to apply the product so that कि moisture आपकी skin में trap रहे for longer period of time and जो product है वो भी deeply penetrate हो skin के अंदर। Thus having HA as a skincare ingredient and also while application using moisture sandwich technique while application plays a very impactful effect. So यहाँ पे मेरे पास है the complete HA range from L'Oréal Paris जहाँ पे जो पहला प्रोडक्ट है Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Gel Cleanser है ये which gently cleanses and hydrates for plumpy skin के लिए है एंड दूसरा है मेरे पास L'Oréal Paris का Revitalift 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum और लास्ट में मेरे पास है L'Oréal Paris का Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Cream Day Cream है ये। So usually I have a very dry skin and I always need hydration, moisturization for my skin. But these products have literally worked so well because जब मैं इस HA रेंज को ट्राई करती हूँ so my skin stays hydrated, soft, supple whole day. एंड मेरी स्किन में ज़्यादा देर तक मॉइस्चर ट्रैप रहता है सो आई डोंट फील फ्लेकी एंड रफ। ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स हैव द हाईली मॉइस्चर कंटेंट और काफ़ी देर तक स्किन को मॉइस्ट, सपल एंड स्मूथ रखता है। सो इस रेंज में सबसे पहले आता है जेल क्लेंजर है, ये जेल फेस वॉश है। दिस इज़ नॉट ओनली यूज फॉर क्लेंजिंग योर स्किन बट ये आपकी स्किन को क्लीन भी करता है एंड हाइड्रेट भी रखता है फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड। Cleansing is a very important part for a good skincare routine and face को clean करना and face wash करना तो सभी को पता ही है, it's very important to remove all the impurities. But this kind of face wash not only cleanses your skin, it also makes your skin super hydrated, supple and fresh. तो ये जो HA cleanser है, it has a ultra fine foam and creamy texture है इसका and can thoroughly cleanses your impurities and makeup residue. It has a gentle gel technology so that it can cleanse your skin without drying out. इसको यूज करने के बाद स्किन लुक्स मोर हाइड्रेटेड एंड प्लम्ड ओवर टाइम एंड स्किन फील्स smooth, plumped and youthfully radiant. So it is suitable for all skin type and especially for dry skin, it will not make your skin dry at all. So I have tried many HA cleansers from the market, but this one totally stands out because of its impactful result. Now the second product is serum. Now this is the first product which was launched in this range. Now this serum comes with a concentration of 1.5 HA, which is the right amount of concentration of HA for your skin, and also which makes it best HA serum available in the market. So let me take a few drops of this serum in my hand. So the texture of the serum is very lightweight, non-sticky and easily gets absorbed into the skin, and you can easily spread all over also. Now this serum does not contain any alcohol, parabens and fragrance, so it is very suitable for all skin type, even for the sensitive skin people also. And lastly, I have L'Oreal Paris Gel Cream. So this cream contains micro hyaluronic molecules which is able to penetrate deep into your skin to keep your skin more hydrated, plump and soft, which is able to penetrate deep into the skin for higher efficacy. It is an advanced technology which makes this cream so different from all the creams which are available in the market. So ये जो cream है, it is a translucent poly gel like texture है इसका, which will just glide across your face. ये जो cream है ये non sticky है and non oily है and absorbs quickly into the skin. It leaves a sensation of hydrated velvet skin. It feels super comfortable on your skin. हाथ पे लगाते ही जो इसका जो smooth या touch है, that is so velvety, smooth and so soft. स्किन को इतना स्मूथ बना देती है. It leaves a sensation of hydrated velvet skin. It feels super comfortable on your skin and it has the right texture for our kind of weather. So let's see the whole regime. Firstly, I'm applying a cleanser on wet face and neck. So I'm taking a small amount, then I'll massage in circular motion and then rinse it off with water. After cleansing, ensure that the skin is left damp, as this is the most important step. Follow it up with the serum and take 3 to 4 drops and dab on the face. Then top it off with the gel cream for all day hydration and radiance. Take a pea-sized amount of the L'Oreal Paris gel cream and do it all over the face and neck. Gently spread and massage the anti-aging day cream in circular motion till the face cream gets completely absorbed into the skin. This entire application process is called a moisture sandwich. It's a process that helps give your skin maximum hydration. So my skin is soft and plump now and I'm all ready to do a simple makeup. So makeup के लिए I'm using a foundation. You can use BB and CC cream as per your requirement and choice. And मैं उसको पूरे face पे अच्छे से लगा लूँगी with the help of a brush. Then I'm using a lipstick to give a pink tint to my face. So 2 dots हम दोनों cheeks पे लगा लेंगे and 1 dot on the lids. And हम cheeks को उसको blend कर लेंगे to give a blushy tint. और eyes पे भी हम finger से blend कर लेंगे. And lastly, I'm using same lipstick on my lips to keep my lips soft and moist whole day. So this is a simple 2-product makeup look. Layering products with same ingredient are more impactful, and these products are Dermac's favorite and is suitable for all skin types. So for best result, use it twice a day and night, the combination of both the HA serum and the HA gel cream. This cream not only adds its own goodness to the skin but also trap all the underneath product which is layered to make the ingredients more effective. You can easily see the improved texture of your skin by adding these products in your skincare routine. So this cleanser is available in 2 sizes. One is 50 ml for rupees 175 and 100 ml for rupees 315. This serum also comes in 2 sizes. 15 ml for rupees 499 and 30 ml for rupees 999. This cream also is available in two sizes too, 15 ml for rupees 499 and 50 ml for rupees 999. And for more details and all the links I have provided in the description box, you can check them out if you are interested in trying out these products. So that's all for the today's video. Hope आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. I totally love all the products and they are so amazing to try out. So do check the links, and that's all for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care everyone. Bye. See you in my next video.